channel. I want to tell you something about the Srinivas Mangapuram. I previously visited the Srinivas Mangapuram 3 days back. That's why I'm going to tell you some information regarding the Srinivas Mangapuram. Srinivas Mangapuram, it is located in Tirupati. From Tirupati to 12 kilometers via Chandragiri, that means near to Chandragiri. That means we will catch the bus uh, by any bus you may visit. Here, the starting position, this indicates the starting position of Srinivas Mangapuram. This is a arch for the Srinivas Mangapuram temple. In this temple, that means this temple located in near to Tirupati, and then here the god name is a Sri Kalyana Venkateswara Swami. The god name Kalyana Venkateswara Swami. That means from Tirupati you have a auto facility is there, and then bus facility also available. It is located in Tirupati Pilar Road. Tirupati Pilar Road, and then this temple. This is a Galigopuram. That means the god. I projected this video from the outside. That's why. That means first I display some of the outside environment. Okay, this is a some Anjaneya Swami temple located near to this Srinivas Mangapuram temple, and then this the famous Anjaneya Swami temple, this one, and then if you are going to enter into the Srinivas Mangapuram temple. This is in this way you will enter into the Srinivas Mangapuram temple. This is a very famous temple. It is located near to the Kalyani river. That means near to Kalyani Dam. In the Kalyani Dam, near to Kalyani river, it is located. And then in this way, this is a way to enter into the temple. Okay, in the temple restrictions are there. They will not allow the mobile phone. That's why I did not take the mobile phone inside the temple. From the outside, I am shooting some information related to this temple, and then it is a very famous temple, the Kalyana Venkateswara Swami temple. This temple near to, that means west side of the Tirumala Tirupati Devasthanam. It is a west side of the Tirumala Tirupati Devasthanam, and then here every day just like a Tirumala, this is some of the Sasanas written by the previous kings, and then these are all some of the sevas in this temple. That means I think it is very helpful to you. That's why I shooted this video. And then coming to this one, when will you do darshana? That means Sarva Darshana. The timings of Sarva Darshana every day started at 6 o'clock and then closed at 8 o'clock. That means started at 8 o'clock. The Monday started at 8 o'clock and closed at 11. This is a temple archu. That means they did not allow the mobile phone. That means you come out from the temple in this route. This is one of the famous temple. Near to this temple, we have a Varasiddhi Vinayaka temple is there. We also visited the temple also and pray the God. We visited this temple, very famous temple, Varasiddhi Vinayaka. Backside this Mangapuram temple, you have a Tirumala, the Srivari Mettu. 6 kilometers from here. From this route, you will visit the Tirumala. That means within 1 hour, you will visit the Tirumala. Near to that place, there is a Kanaka Mahalakshmi temple is there. In the night side also visited that temple. This is one of the famous temple. the temple inside environment. After that, near to that place you have a some Arya Vaisya uh, Satram is there, Arya Vaisya Satram, and then in front of the temple you have a board. Yeah, this is a Lalita Peetam, Sri Lalita Peetam. Sri Lalita Peetam is there. From here it is a located Lalita Peetam. 1 hour, 1 kilometer from this temple. After that, near to that place there is a waterfall is there. Okay, this is some information. That means because of COVID, the timings of the temple changed. This is a Mangapuram temple. These are all timings for the visiting timings for this temple. These are all visiting timings for this temple. After completion of darshan this temple, we went to the Tirumala. This is a Tirumala, the Tirumala Tirupati Devasthanam temple, the very famous temple. Here we visited the Tirumala so many times visited, but now this is the Tirumala temple.